And welcome, I'm Solo, and this is ZN Gaming. In this video, I'll be going over how to set up a countdown timer for TikTok, OBS, Twitch, Kick, or YouTube. Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. For this example, we will be using OBS. We're just going to give it a double click and launch it up. Once it's open, to get to a countdown timer, we can go here to the tools, and we can go down here. It's going to say scripts. Now this is going to give you a window pop-up. It's going to say a few things. It might look a little bit confusing, but the only thing you're going to need to know in here is this here plus symbol. Once you give it a click, it's going to open up a folder with a bunch of different default scripts that OBS has in here that a lot of people don't even know that exist, like a clock, a countdown timer, instant replay, pause, and a few other things in here. But we want to just click on the countdown. Once we give this here a click, we're just going to click open. And now we're going to see that this is going to give us a few options. It's going to say to set the text source to act as a countdown timer. So for this here, we are going to need a text source, but we're going to see that we have a duration, a text source, our final text, and a reset timer. These are going to be really good, but for now, we're just going to give this here a close because we actually do need to add a text source. To do that, we're just going to go to our sources. We're going to click the plus sign, and we're actually just going to add a GDI text. We're going to name this here BRB. We already have one, but for this example, just name it BRB. And then we're just going to leave it stock. We're just going to click OK. When it opens, it's going to give you some options. You can type in to see where it is and how big the text is. From here, you can change your font or your text style, anything that you need, your font, your color, your style, anything at all about the text. Make sure that you change it in here before you go any further. We're going to just change it to this just for fun, just to show it for an example, and we're going to click OK. But this is going to be the same for whether your size, your placement, and your font. So you can put this here anywhere you want. After that, we're just going to go back up to the tools, click on the scripts. Now we should already have it here because we clicked on it and added it. It's going to already show up here in the menu, and it's going to show that our 5-minute duration. We're going to click the drop down menu, and in here we're going to be able to see that there's body text, alert text, or username. We're going to click the hide, open back up our scripts. All right, you might actually have to close OBS after adding the text source and open it back up just so that it shows back up in the tools. We're just going to give it a checkout here. We're going to click onto the scripts. And we do see it. So if you don't see it show up in your text sources, you will have to close OBS and then reopen it. Then when you click it, it should show up. And again, in here, we want to make sure that we set the time duration. So you can make more than one of these, but you can only set one of them at a time. So you can set it to 3 or 4 different sources, but your problem is you're going to have to come in here and add it each time. So if you want to change the minutes from 5 to 10, you are going to have to do it inside the script menu and not inside your BRB. But once it's set to whatever you want, you can just close it. And then you can just leave it hidden. When you need your timer, you can just unhide it, and it will start from the 8 minutes. And that's as easy as it is to add a timer for your TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, or other platform. And so to make any changes at all to it after this here, you can go and edit the font size or anything at all, the placement. But that's really it for this one here. I just wanted to go over a quick video of how to set up a countdown timer. Does it work for any platform? And it's pretty easy to set up with the OBS's default script. But that's it for this one here. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye!